Hey guys, and welcome back to the Exodus channel, your home for the best crypto videos. Don't forget to hit those like and those subscribe buttons, and we will keep the videos coming. In our first Bitcoin security video, we discuss how secure the Bitcoin network is and how it has never been hacked or suffered any serious exploit. So if you missed it, then click the link above to watch. If Bitcoin holders follow proper security procedures, it is virtually impossible for a hacker, government, or company to steal your Bitcoin. So in this video, we'll cover some of these procedures and give you security tips that should help you keep your crypto assets safe and secure. Non-custodial means the user has 100% control over the coins in their wallet. If, for example, you keep your Bitcoin in the Exodus wallet, no central authority can prevent you from sending a transaction or accessing your crypto, so long as you have some kind of internet access. PayPal is an example of a custodial wallet. PayPal custodies its users' funds, which means the company has the power to freeze accounts and reverse transactions. You should also try to avoid storing your coins on a centralized exchange such as Binance or Coinbase. Some Bitcoin exchanges get hacked and others become insolvent, and sometimes, on the rare occasion, CEOs of exchanges can actually run off with all the funds. Number 2, never store your seed phrase digitally. When you generate a new non-custodial wallet, you'll be given a secret recovery phrase that is usually a set of 12 or 24 words. These words are critically important since they can be used to restore a wallet if you lose access or you lose your computer or your phone. Do not store these phrases digitally, which also means certainly do not take a screenshot of your secret phrase, as digital products and photos on your phone can easily be hacked, therefore providing hackers total access to your funds. By keeping a copy of your secret phrase offline, or better still, multiple copies that all can't be destroyed by fire or a flood, this ensures that even if a hacker does gain access to your computer, they still won't be able to get your crypto. Number 3, double check the destination address when sending crypto. To guarantee Bitcoin security, you should always double check the BTC address you're sending the coins to. This will ensure you catch any typos or malware that could potentially change the address from your clipboard. For example, you copy an address from your wallet and paste it into a Bitcoin exchange. At least that's what you thought you did. But instead, the malware pastes a different address into the Bitcoin exchange, the address of the hacker. And if you don't realize that the swap has taken place, your coins will go to the hacker instead. Number 4, prepare for volatility. So when public figures say that Bitcoin is risky or dangerous, what they usually mean is that Bitcoin is more volatile than traditional investments like stocks and bonds. The price of BTC has been known to drop more than 20% in a single day, which can be quite a shock, especially if you're a new investor. By far, the most common story of losing money in crypto is that of the new investor. So the new investor buys crypto on somebody else's recommendation, usually at the top of the market. The market euphoria is then followed by a steep correction, which causes the new investor to panic sell at a loss. It helps to truly understand the long-term value of what you're buying before you drop money into it, as being confident in your investment will prevent you from panic selling. Crypto can be volatile, but when you look at the price of Bitcoin over the long term, it just continues to rise, and those who stay cool and hodl are always richly rewarded in the long term. Click any of these videos to continue learning more about the most revolutionary asset of our time. Thanks, and remember to like if you liked it and sub if you dug it.